Hello, people of the customer service from Banggood. Here's the Hoko headset that I've bought. I have the packaging right here. The original shipment packaging that that was asked to provide was I have explained in the previous letter or email what happened to it. So here we have the headphones. I've got the supplied USB. I have my laptop over here. And I'll plug it in. And as you can see, it just blinks one time. Just please notice the headphone as I plug it in again, and I'm plugging it in again. Now it doesn't matter if as you can see from my other screen, this is the Banggood website that I leave my replies on. My regular desktop. This is the Windows system, and my computer is down here. Whoops, sorry for the background noise. Let me see if I can show you like that as well. Plug it into a Windows system. It just blinks one time. So it doesn't matter if one system is Linux and the other is Windows. It just does not work. So I hope that this video provides the necessary additional info. So yeah, I will await your answer. Okay, thank you.